Hey, what's going on, guys? It's Brennan here, and I want to show you how I made over $1,400 in affiliate commissions in just 2 days. Okay, now this is not an absurdly great result for me. This is kind of typical what I will do on a regular basis with promotions, and I want to give you the behind the scenes inside look at exactly how I'm doing this so that you could create something like this for yourself. Now, if you take a look at February 25th to February 26th here, you're going to see that I generated 118 sales to a product called Postly. Now, this was a pretty good product. I liked it. I always vet and make sure that the product is high quality before I decide to recommend it. That's the first thing, and I have to be clear about that because that's very important. But once you have a good product to promote, it really doesn't matter what their sales page looks like or how they're selling it, because the worst thing that you can do is just focus on getting people to see your link. So usually on Warrior Plus or JVZoo, you get what's known as an affiliate link. This is affiliate marketing, right? And if anybody buys through that affiliate link, you get a commission or a percentage of the sale. Now, what most people do, and what is the wrong way to do this, is they get traffic directly to that affiliate link, and there's no trust there. There's no personality, there's no relationship, and your conversions are going to be horrible. Understandably, because if you thought about it from your perspective, if I'm surfing around the internet or in my email and I get a random link from somebody and it clicks me over to a sales page, the chance of me buying is almost nil. It's almost nothing, right? What you need to do to get conversions is actually set up a page, a review or bonus page. And that's what I do with Clickfunnels. Now, if you want, I have a link to Clickfunnels in my description. And if you decide to pick up Clickfunnels, you can go through my link. That would be great. But there are other tools out there different than Clickfunnels. And to be honest with you, Clickfunnels is $97 a month. And if you're just using it for this purpose, it's not really necessary. I use Clickfunnels for a million different things, and that's why I have Clickfunnels for my business. But if I go to my Postly review page here, so I'm going to open this up, and we're going to take my exact review that I did to get these kind of conversions. So this is going to take a second to load because I'm currently in Mexico right now. I'm in a small town called San Cristobal de las Casas, and my girlfriend's Mexican, so we're traveling around the country here. But actually tonight I'm going to be leaving on a plane to go to Las Vegas. But anyways, so that's the reason for the internet, but I got my page up here. And you're going to see this here. This is my review page right here. And I'm going to show you exactly how I set this up. And at the end, I'm going to give you the option to steal my pages for a membership subscription for people that want to. So this is my review page here. And I use the same review page every single time, every time I do one of these promos. And it's a very simple process. What I do is I have the headline from the sales page. And I will modify it maybe to make it look a little bit cleaner or different. But basically, I'm just taking the headline from the sales page and I'm putting it at the top of my review page. And if I actually click over to the offer here, you're going to see that the sales page says $111 per post, right? Case study, weird video, whatever. That's the sales page. Now, on my review page, I have that exact same claim, $111 per post. And you want to kind of have one unique selling point that makes this sexy. And in my opinion, the sexiest thing about this particular offer was that it was a different method than what other people were doing. So I said this is an unknown method. This is a method that not a lot of people are doing. In my description, it's very simple. All I say is, hey, I have an honest review down below there. I'm investigating the sales page. I'm going to tell you about the OTOs. I'm going to tell you about everything here. Watch the video. You'll see what this is all about. Then in my review video itself, what I want to do is just clearly show what I'm offering them. So it's not about a sales pitch where I say, hey, you need to buy this because of this, this, and this. That really doesn't convert that well, and it's not very good to do to your people anyways. What does work out well for conversions and is also the better way to do this is to basically just let people know about the product and give them the information behind it and let them decide for themselves. When you do it that way, you don't come across like you're selling to them. You come across like you're just presenting this to them, and that's going to make the conversions go much better. in addition to that, people aren't going to have negative feelings towards you like you're selling them into new things all the time. What you're doing is just letting them know about new things that they can decide to get or not, okay? Now, an additional thing to make even more conversions is to offer bonuses. And what I will do is I'll have a bonus package for every single offer, and I will have that bonus package listed on my review page. And in the review video, after I finish telling them about the product, I'll say, hey, if you decide to pick this up today, I also have some additional bonuses below this video that you're gonna get for free when you make the purchase through my link. By doing that, you're gonna increase your conversions quite substantially, okay? Then I have a comment section and I answer each and everyone's comment. And that's pretty much it. That's the full promo. And then I just go from my Aweber account, I send emails letting them know, like, here, this new method is here, go check it out. And people will click over from my email to my review page, and from my review page, they will decide to buy or not. Now, if we take a look at the affiliate stats here, you can see that I had an average of $2.41 EPC. Now that means for every person that clicked over the sales page, the average person spent about $2.41. Now that's very good because the product here was just $10 to $13. So if the product's $10 to $13 and the average person is spending $2.41, that means a very high percentage of people that go over to the sales page end up buying. Now, the truth is, if you do not have this review page, my EPCs are typically about 30 cents. They're a tenth of what they are when I have this review page. So I am 10 timesing or 10xing my results by having this review page. That means that if I didn't do this review page, instead of having 120 sales for these 2 days, I would have had like 12 sales. So this is just something that you absolutely need to do if you want to make money with affiliate marketing. Okay, now here's the solution that I have for people that are on my channel. I have set something up in a members area here where I give you done for you campaigns and I've done all the work for you. Now, by no means is this mandatory. You can set this up all by yourself, and hopefully this video helps show you exactly how to do that, okay? So if you wanted to create this yourself, you just have to create the review video, you'd have to create the review page, you'd have to provide bonuses and have them listed under your video. You're gonna make way more money if you set this up. But if you wanna have the work done for you, what I have created is a membership called 0 Hour Elite. And this is the same as 6-figure swipes. So anybody that purchased 6-figure swipes, I am transferring everyone over from that membership platform into 0 Hour Elite, okay? And I could get over why I'm doing that and why I'm switching the rebranding or whatever, but that's a long story. I'll tell you in a different video. The point is that there's a membership here that's gonna provide you done for you campaigns. And here's how it works. So you're in the campaign section of your 0 Hour Elite membership, and you have 4 buttons, and then you have a series of emails. So if you're gonna promote something like Printly, for example, right? You click the first button to get your affiliate link for Printly. That's the link that when people buy through that link, you get the money, you get the cash, right? There's a link to see the bonus page so you know what the bonus page looks like. There's a link to the bonuses that people get when they purchase, okay? And then there's a link to request to my team that we set up this bonus page for you. And everybody that's in the 0 Hour Elite members area has access to all of these campaigns and the ability for my team to custom go in manually and set you up a bonus page just like the one that you're looking at in this video. So essentially what I'm doing is I'm getting my team to clone this page and instead take out my affiliate link and put in your affiliate link instead. So by the end of it, we're gonna give you a URL to your bonus page with this headline, this video, this bonus package, and then your affiliate link instead of my affiliate link so that you can get these kind of dollars per click like I do without having to create the page yourself, okay? This is called 0hourelite.com. I'm gonna leave a link to it in the video description. I do not like selling to my YouTube audience. As you can probably tell, I mostly have tutorials on this full channel. So by no means is there any pressure here. Do not feel obligated in any way to get this membership subscription. But if you want to tap into the money that people are making with these bonus pages, but you don't want to go through the hassle of creating them yourself, or you feel like it would be challenging for you to create a review video that's going to convert at a good level, then what you can do is you can get a membership subscription here, and we will do that for you, okay? The membership could cost a lot of money, as you can imagine, but I am only selling this for $37 per month at this time, and I think probably forever. I mean, I know that usually adding scarcity and saying, hey, this is going to be $37 a month for the next week is the way to sell people into things, because scarcity really forces people to sell, and there's a good lesson in there because I like to teach people about sales. But in all reality, my goal is to keep this at $37 a month as an entry point for anybody in my tribe to come in here and have done for you campaigns that they can make money with. It's possible that I could increase the price, but I have no plans to. But if you want to get in at the best price and you want to have these done for you campaigns, it's better to get in now. And you're going to have a list of all the campaigns that I have here for all of these different products that are all evergreen and designed to convert at a really high level. And they're similar to this promotion that I just showed you on this video. Now, your members area is not fixed, so you are going to have campaigns regularly added to your members area on a regular basis. And those are going to be added into your new affiliate campaign section. So just now I've created the March 28 campaigns, and then next month in April, I'm going to do the April 28 campaigns and June 2018 campaigns, and so on and so on and so on. For March right now, you have a done for you campaign for the banger method, and a done for you campaign for Postly. So you're getting this exact campaign that I'm showing you in this video, okay? Hopefully this video shows you how people are making really good money with affiliate marketing right now, because it's not sending directly to the offer, it's going to a page or a campaign like you're seeing here. And then also I've shown you the 0 Hour Elite, which you can decide to get or decide not to get if you so choose, okay? So hopefully you enjoyed this video, guys. Thanks again for watching. If you have any questions, I would love to hear your feedback. I would also love to hear your feedback on how I could ramp this up even further, because I'm planning on including case studies in here where I show you my results with the campaigns, and I have different training in here as well. But if you have any suggestions for me to add in here, I'm looking to serve you guys and create a relatively affordable platform that people can go to where most of the work is done for them, okay? So thanks for watching my video, guys. I will see you in the next one, and it's Brendan signing off from Mexico.